Hi, today I'll show you a list routine that I just created, used for create a wipeout very quickly, saving a bit of times. Um, if you use the wipeout native command, first you need to draw a polygon, and then you type wipeout command, and then you select the polygon. Yeah, so you gotta follow a few steps, but this list routine combine everything in one command. So this is the command I created, WPO. So it asks you what's the distance for the offset of the polygon. So I offset 1 millimeter, and then I just draw the polygon. Just draw it like that. Okay, and you type C when you finish, and then what it does is automatically, as you can see here, automatically offset 1 mil out of the original polygon that I draw. Yeah, and then it's applied wipeout on this offset polygon, so I don't have to do anything. What I do is select all, and then deselect the wipeout perimeter, and then I just bring this to front, and I've got this. Yeah, okay, so do it again. For example, this one, WPO, enter, draw a unit, offset, and then I draw the original polygon. So the list we use this polygon and apply 1 millimeter offset to create a new polygon, and then it applied wipeout on that polygon. So yeah, okay, so that's it. Thank you.